Hello, my wonderful family. Thanks for tuning in once again to Vivi's World. Today I have another beautiful tutorial to show you guys, and it's on how to fix an adjustable chain into a coral bracelet. You see how beautiful it looks? It's very beautiful. It's stunning. Looks so nice and neatly done. It's so beautiful. Peace. So my wonderful people, these are my beads. These are our coral beads. You see how they look so neat and beautiful. And I have my nylon, our beading thread. And you see here is my scissors, my beading instruments, the plier and all that I need. And I have my adjustable chain and the hook, which we'll be using at the end. So what we're going to be doing now is, you see I have fixed in the hook first. I used two beautiful shining stone bead, and now I'm fixing in our coral beads. So just keep watching guys and see how I got to fix in these beads into the nylon properly. We'll call it nylon, or you can call it a beading wire, or you can call it a beading cord. It answers in any of these names. So guys, as we keep filling in the beads, please, if this is your first time of tuning in to Vivi's World, please subscribe, like and share our tutorials. Okay, thank you very much. We really appreciate you sharing our videos, and we appreciate to see your comment also in our videos. Tell us what you see about this video, how you feel about it, and if you like the video, if it was easy for you to understand, it was easy for you watching, and if you like to see more tutorials like this, we've got a lot of them. Please stay tuned and keep watching. So these beads, they are natural beads with irregular shape. You see how it looks in the camera? That's how it looks. That's how it is. It's very beautiful. So now I'm fixing in another very beautiful shining stone bead at the end, which is to say we're almost done sewing our bracelet. So I'm fixing in the shining stone to knot it up the way I started it. So here we have the main the main work, which is fixing our adjustable chain. So this is it. Just take a look. You have to make a very good and accurate calculation on how to fix it so that it will be tight and good and secured very well and last long. So you see this video, I used two nylon so that the bead will be very secure. So here I'm going to be fixing in our hook, a knot. You see it, a tiny pin. I'll fix it in there, and I'll be using my plier to get it tight. This one is to secure the bead from falling off. So you see, take a good look. I'm giving it a very good knot. See how beautiful it looks. It's almost done. Our bracelet is almost ready. And I am going to fix another hook over there. After tightening it properly, I'll fix another one and I'll tighten it again. This is just to secure our adjustable chain. This is just to secure our adjustable chain so that our bead or our bracelet will be very secure, to tight and last long. You'll be sure of what you just done by adding more hook and pin to it and knotting it tight. So that's what I'm doing right now. You can see how it looks. You can see how it looks, so beautiful. So after being sure of what I have done, so I give it a cut. I've cut off our nylon, the extra one, and our bracelet is ready. It's very beautiful, so beautiful. I really love it. And the irregular shape it has, you see our chain is so beautiful. I love it so much. So nice. So guys, thank you very much. Thank you very much for staying to the end of this video. Thank you very much. So let's see your comment in the sections of our comments below. Okay, let's see your comment. Put it there how you see this video. Thank you all for coming. See you all in my next video. Share, like. Thank you.